And the transfuser works. I had it on, and it makes a smell of nitric oxide. The actual power is small, about 1 milliwatt, 1 microwatt, something like that, 1 or 2 microwatts, and fluctuates. And makes the places makes it much rather to open the window and sort out the machine so it didn't run. I've got it got a switch on and it works. My soldering isn't really hot enough, that's a problem. And any teeth in. And I know what time it is, it's now 2:47, and I'm up because I want to make this announcement to people. It is important to realise it does work, because once it's in use, it'll change the source of energy we use. Used to zero as the energy source. And it's the second most abundant element in the universe. So it's quite useful. And the use of carbon fossil fuels disappear. It'll be some time before that happens. At the moment I've got the transfuser in a bottle, but it works. The needle fluctuations a bit, especially as well. And it's dangerous because it pushes cobweb oxide. I'm not allowed to try with anything else. I'm terrified of it. It's understandable. And I'll start to swell now. So I think you should carry on producing it and take an interest, which you seem to have stopped. I put this on YouTube. It's not much for this me who's talking, but it's me.